I'm Mark Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics, and today we got to bring this thing to the shop where they start the process of getting a motor in this. For those who know, I had a car accident not that long ago and my car is gone. The convertible is no longer on this plane of earth. So this thing is now the only thing I own that I need to drive. So first things first, I got to do up that exhaust, tie it up so it's not dragging on the ground, clean all this crap off it. Good job me leaving all of this stuff on here. Clean all this off, bring out the quad, strap the quad to it, yank her forward onto this and pull her onto the driveway so she's nice and straight. Then, hi cats. Yeah, you're good. I spent all morning cleaning out this trailer with my brother. I stole my brother's truck and drove it here because we have to do it at his shop. So we got another motor lined up because I was going to do an LS swap on this, but right now that's not on the cards because I just need a truck. So instead of doing an LS swap and stuff, we're just going to stick another old V8 in this thing, get her running, put the body panels back on. I gotta dig this body panel out. Yay, good job me. Put the body panels back on it, throw the motor in, get her running, get the last little bits tidied up, and get this thing going. Wiring harness works for it. It has brand new brakes all the way around. The e-brake works. That's good stuff. Bad stuff, I gotta change out one of the hubs. I have it. Gas tank needs to go in. This hub has to be replaced onto to the front left. Yay, look at me, tools. I'm so organized. Fucking hell. Good job me. There's like 3 blower motors there. Needs a horn. Forgot about that. So needs a horn, needs that hub replaced because the hub's bent. Glad I have these 2 hubs anyways. That's why I went and bought them. I need some work around the lights a little bit. The new wiring harness for the lights needs to go in. All right, so I'm gonna put this on time lapse. I'm gonna clean up everything around the truck. We don't know if we're going to quickly rebuild this engine, where they do a quick junkyard rebuild on this 305, or the block in there is junk. The block's junk. So that's why we're not using that block. That's why she failed on me, is the block went on the rear end, the back end of the block just killed itself. All this needs to be bolted onto something because all this works. All these rear lighting and everything, brake lights work. That's the new brake line for the rear there. Fuck, like there's a list of stuff that needs to get done on this thing, but we don't have a choice now. I'm just gonna be sticking wheel tubs over the tires. This is gonna go for safety, and we're gonna be driving this bad boy because this is gonna become my daily driver because I screwed myself. I killed the car. Don't do what I do. Don't do stupid things. This is not gonna be fun. That gas tank still needs to be installed. Oh, I don't even know if that gas tank works. Hopefully it fucking works. So they need to be run all new fuel lines. Oh, what have I done? The e-brake cable is brand new though. All the brakes are brand new. The tires are new. Okay, so first thing I gotta do, hook up that exhaust, pull all of this away, put it away, and then grab the quad and pull this forward. I don't want to turn off the big old diesel truck because she does not like starting. So if I can get away with this, we're going to. This is what we call being retarded. All right, so I'm gonna hook it up there, swing it back and hook it up there. Let's see if this old quad girl can pull her out. She might be stuck frozen to the ground, so let's see. Get ready to rumble! Plan B. Almost there. I just took the truck back up. Now once the truck's back up, I'm gonna roll the trailer back here, set up the ramp. I gotta figure out something for the one side of the tire because my ramp's not big enough. There's actually like a quad ramp. So set it up, line it up, and just fucking pull her on with the come along. Right before the sun sets too. I just wanted to get this done tonight. But look, fuck, that's where she's been sitting. Let's get this engine in her and get her going. So this system is slow as balls, but as you can see, car ramps is ramps, because I did whatever. Car ramps is ramps. Come along, bang chain, security chain. This has been taking a while. It's almost dark. Oh, there's the moon. Sun's setting over there. Moon's over there. Truck's right there. It's in gear and off. Hopefully she starts tomorrow. Oh, almost there. Got the front tires on. Now I just need to get the fucking rear end on. It's lifting at the back of the truck because the weight's all right there. But I need it hooked up to be, one, kind of hold it tight there, and two, because I'm lazy. Oh. Come on, bastard. Keep coming. I'm tired, that took way too long to load, but getting myself some food, about to be picked up to go have an evening with the family. Truck's loaded up, it's actually parked right there. It's right there. Yep, right there. I'm ready for a nap. I hope you guys enjoyed. There's maybe more to come, like this has got to go to the shop tomorrow, then we got to unload it, then we got to start flying it out and figuring out what we need to do. Let's get this thing going.